What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this in probably like 10 minutes or less. I got some clip-ins to share with y'all today, and I'm super excited because I never used clip-ins before. I never owned any clip-ins, and the company that sent me over these clip-ins is called Better Length. So it came in this cute little pouch, and inside of the pouch is the clip-ins. I received one bundle, and one bundle is all you need to complete a hairstyle. So it came in this little plastic here, got their logo on it, and it just says Better Length, 100% virgin human hair. So this is what the bundle look like. So this here is the Afro Kinky Coily clip-in set, 14 inches, 175 grams, natural color. So this Afro Kinky Curly is like 4B, 4A hair. I think my hair is like a 4C, 4B, but we gonna make it work. I got different textures in my hair, but I think mainly my hair is like a 4B. Okay, so I'm just unraveling them. So the first clip in have 5 clips up close of the texture. Okay, so here's another 5 clip track. Okay, we got 2 4-piece tracks, 2 3-piece tracks, and 4 of the 2-piece. So I just washed my hair, parted it, put this little bun up there. I didn't put any product on my edges or anything because I know I was going to be manipulating it, you know, with these clip-ins. So I just washed my hair and I put some of this Camille Rose, what is it, moisture butter on it. This is my curl pattern up close. So see, I was telling y'all that I have a looser curl pattern. So what I'm gonna do is braid the back of my hair in some big jumbo braids going down because I need something to secure these clips onto because my hair is fine or thin. So I have seen some people just part their hair and then just put the clip straight on. But like I said, my hair is so fine, I think it'll just slip through. So I'll be right back once I braid the back of my hair. So this is what it looks like in the back. I know it's probably not even no parts. It's crazy back there, but it don't matter. It's about to get hidden. I literally just threw these braids in 2 minutes. So I don't know if I'm gonna need the 5 clip one or the 4 clip one. I guess it depends on how big my head is, right? Let's see. So actually, this is the 4 clip one, and it's kind of too big. So we're gonna get a 3 clip one. And let's see, so just unsnap these, easy, and then just clip it. Yeah, so you're just going to insert the comb into the braid and then just snap, literally just, that's it. So there you go. So unsnap, that's another 3 clip one, and insert and press. So this is what it looks like with the clip-ins. I'm going to go through and kind of poof it out or separate a little bit after I do the bun. Okay, I'm just taking some gel and applying it to the bun here to get a more neater look. And don't worry about these tracks up here. Once I like spread it out, you shouldn't be able to see it. And nobody shouldn't be all up on top of your head anyway. But if you're worried about the track showing, just leave a little bit of your hair out right here and, you know, blend it in. So I'm gonna just make a bun here. The clips that I have left is both of the 5-piece and one of the 2-piece. Sound like some chicken or something. Ordering at Popeyes or something. I'm just gonna take the 5-piece and clip it. Just insert it around your ponytail like so. Okay. All right, so I got that clip in. So now I'm just gonna make a bun. I'm gonna just take all of this hair, twist it, and then just make a bun. And see, this bun is a lot bigger than my, or a lot fuller than my little bitty old bun. And then just kind of take some bobby pins and shape it. So how quick and easy was that? Let me try to comb some of these curls out so they won't be so uniform. It literally took me 2 minutes to do them raggedy braids back there. But if your hair is thick enough and you want to leave your hair out, and of course if you leave your hair out, this will be a lot fuller. I swear this would take you less than 10 minutes, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like, just think of all the fun hairstyles you can achieve with this. These will be so perfect on somebody who just big chopped and don't like to wear their hair out, you know, with the teeny weeny fro. Like me, when I first chopped, no, all I wore was wigs because I didn't like to wear my hair out that small or that tiny. But oh my goodness, see how you can just go from that to this? Less than 10 minutes. I really don't care for huge big hair, so this is all the manipulating that I'm going to do. Okay, let me show you guys the back. So I don't know how it looks back there. Hopefully it's filled in. I can't find my mirror. My kids then took it somewhere, so I don't have a mirror to see. Like, I have this 5-piece left and the 2-piece left, and you can always go back in and kind of fill in if it's any gaps. And if you don't need the 5-piece, like the 5-piece is too big for my head to do any of the sections in the back. Oh, it might, no, you know what? I guess if you wanted to wear a hairstyle that's like, you know, going to the side, like going like this or whatever. Oh, okay, yeah, because I was gonna say you can just cut them, you know, and make them smaller. I want to do a different kind of hairstyle in the future. So it looks like you can achieve a lot of hairstyles with just this one bundle of clip-ins. Awesome. Okay, so we got to bring this look all together. I have to do my baby hairs. Have to. All right, y'all, so I am done and I am loving them. Loving them. I would definitely recommend these clip-ins. Just beautiful. And just think about all the hairstyles that you can achieve. Like, the possibilities will be endless. You know how when you be on Instagram or YouTube and you see all these girls with like the longer natural hair and you have a shorter natural hair and you know you can't achieve that style because you got the shorter natural hair? These clip-ins will achieve it for you. Just look at this bun compared to the bun I had before. What? Girl. And y'all don't even see the tracks, do you? You don't even see no tracks, do you? Nope. I do have a coupon code for you guys. I will leave it right here. Really do recommend these clip-ins. So if you're interested, I will leave all the information down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.